Greetings and welcome, friends, to Rudy Eats. Today we got Kettle brand popcorn, maple bacon. Not just bacon, maple bacon for Canadians. Actually, that would be Canadian bacon, but do they call it Canadian bacon in Canada? That would be like, I don't know, we have American cheese. Good news, friends. This is a non-GMO certified product. Actually, I want my food products genetically engineered in a lab. Nature is scary. Who said we have to stick to potatoes? Exactly. They don't have to make potato chips. If they want to make popcorn, who are you to tell them no? Even bacon popcorn. Because I'm anticipating a flavor extravaganza of bacon proportions. Wow, we have a winner! Wow. That is amazing. Tastes like candy. And meat. Candy meat. Smoky, fatty deliciousness. And that bacon flavor. This is a wonderful balance of flavor and texture. Every bite is just a flavor explosion in your mouth. I give that a will eat. So thank you for joining me, and get yourself some bacon. Popcorn.